everyone, and welcome to day 4, our last module in the cake costing and pricing class. We've done module 1, we've done module 2, module 3, and today the final module is all about communicating your price with confidence. In short, that is one of the things you need to learn how to do. Even after learning how to cost and price effectively, you need to be able to communicate it to your clients so that they too can see that what you're giving them is worth the money they are paying. So in this class now, the goal is to be able to learn how to handle price objection, and you'll be able to communicate your value effectively. Now, in this class, we have 4 topics we are going to be talking about, and let me start with number 1, is why people say it's too expensive and what it really means. Okay, so we all know that the heart of any entrepreneur or any business person, the reason why you're in business is to make money. So let me start from there. The reason why you're in business is for you to make money. Let's get that straight. Okay, now, so for you to clearly spell, you have to clearly spell it out. You make money, except you are running a hobby. It's a business, you're here to make money. And to make money, you need a product, right? Yes. Without a product, whether digital, whether physical or not physical, in the business world, as long as you are in business, you need something to sell. Do you understand? You need a product. And therefore, when you have a product, you must look for people who want that product and will buy. That's business. You have a product, you need people who will buy that product, then you make money. Are we clear? Okay, so let's go. So, your product now, it must be a solution to somebody's prayer. If it's not a solution, I will not buy. So, for example, I need, let me say, this key now. This key is a solution for me to be able to open the door or to be able to, open my lock or open a drawer or something. So that's the people who produce this key knows that I need it for me to be able to open the door to my house. I need a key. So it has, provided a solution of me entering into my house and getting comfortable there. So your product must be a solution, right, to somebody's prayer. Now, let me state this clearly. The first step to making money comes from having repeated orders. Do you understand? You can't just have one order and you say that's all. You close shop and you have made money. No, repeatedly, the orders are coming in, the money is coming in, you're investing back into the business, you're making profit, you're growing, you're expanding. That is when the money starts coming. And now for you to be able to do that, you have to invest. Bear with me, just stay with me. I'm getting to somewhere. Invest in training, you have to invest in data, you have to invest in classes like this one that you're in, you have to invest in research, you have to invest in the right tools. Like the right tool now is the cake costing calculator, which I'll be giving you. So you have to invest in these things: training, data, classes, tools, and then research. You have to sit down and research, okay, what is it that my clients want? What do they want? What would they love to have? And then you have to produce that thing and sell it to them. Now, am I breaking your bubbles? Okay. So it is when you have finally invested in yourself that you can offer value to another person. You understand? When you've invested in yourself and you have capacity, you can handle this matter very well. And that is when you'll be able to communicate your value to the client who is going to buy your product. Now, offering value can be in any form. It can be in presentation, it can be in packaging, it can be in your skills, it can be how you yourself, present yourself. And the social media can help you actually, bring out the value that you're offering to your clients. I mean, when you show us your behind the scenes, you show us how your bakery runs, you show how, small things. Again, that these are the things, your packaging, how you package for your clients, how you go to deliver, the extra care and attention you put into decorating your cakes and baking your cakes. Those are the values that your clients will see and be like, okay, yes, I think I'm going to get my money's worth there. Do you understand? Okay, good. So you have to create a relationship where you are top of mind in your client's mind. So now let's go back to the first topic we're talking about, and that is why people say it's too expensive and what it really means. Now, a lot of people have different ideas in their mind. They have different notions as regards to how they spend their money. You understand?